Hi there, my name is Neri Pongo and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very popular infinity scarf pattern Jolita or Jolita, and I'll show you from the beginning till the end how I make it. There is a written pattern which was really and is really popular and my bestseller of all patterns. But I got many requests to make video tutorials, so here it is, and it's totally free. So we'll begin from making a chain. I will not be making full version because I started it already, so I'll do some sections on this one, but I want to make and show you from the very scratch every step so you can make it yourself. So first of all, we'll have to make a chain. As any project, we start from a chain. You can do chainless foundation chain, which I show in my one of the short tutorials, but I normally start with a regular chain. So I make loop like this, insert the hook, grab with the other finger from the back, and pull and tighten off the first chain. Then you will have to make as many chains as you want, or just follow the pattern, and I'll include the exact stitch for all sizes. But I will make a number of chains. It should be -2, so we 11 -2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then 11 11 11 again, so it has to multiply by 11 and then -2. So one more section of 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Once again, 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10 11. 2 3 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I didn't make a very long chain now because it will take too long for me to repeat the same, but I just made 55, I guess, or 66. I can't tell you exactly now, but it doesn't matter. So you will make 11 multiply and check the length of infinity scarf on yourself, so you can make it fold twice, wrap around your neck twice or 3 times. So here, when we have the length we need, we have to join both sides, so you can make sure that it's the chain is not wrapped, or it will not really matter that much, but I just want to make sure it's not wrapped. And then, oh sorry, I made 66 and -2, so I need to undo 2. 1 and 2, and just join to the first stitch. With a slip stitch, we join with a slip stitch, and we have the ring for our infinity scarf. So it's very tiny. It basically would be like a cowl or not even a cowl, but imagine you make it really long. So what we do from now on, we have to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then skip 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll do double crochet into the 5th stitch, and we do 5 more double crochets in the next of 5 stitches, so there will be 6 double crochets in total. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we have the first section of 6 double crochets here, and look how the beginning looks like. It has to look the same. Then we chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we skip 5 stitches, and I just get ready for the double crochet and skip like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do double crochet into the 6th. Double crochet. So we have 5 chains here and 5 chain here and a gap on here. So another 5 double crochets. So we have in total 6 double crochet as a section. And 6. So here are 2 sections of double crochets and 5 chain underneath in between. Again 5 chain, then we skip 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do 6 double crochets again. And in this way, 6 double crochet, 5 chain, 6 double crochet, 5 chain, and we go all around until we finish. So I'll just do it now on my own and show you how to start another row, how to join it once you reach the end of the row. So here I am making the last section of 6 double crochets in the first row, and I'll show you how to jump on the second row. 2, 3, 5 and 6. So we have 6 double crochets here. Then we don't join the rows, so we don't have rows counting separately. We will jump on the second row without joining, so we do 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we just start doing another section of 6 double crochets, and the first one goes between these 2. So here the first double crochet goes here, five, and the last one goes just after the last one from the previous row into this tiny hole here. It's a bit tougher to go in there, but you'll get used to it. Look like this. And here is the 6th double crochet. So you can see that we just continue the same row going on the top of the first row, and we continue the same 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, and again the first one between these two here, six double crochets, and the last one just in this tiny hole after the last one here. So it doesn't, if you don't stitch in here but underneath, it will separate not really nicely, so it just secures it to be in place. So you can see we have again those two sections done, and as we move around we will never join the row, because you will do 6 here on the top and you will just keep going in a circle round, and will never join the rows. It's really enjoyable, really relaxing work of the scarf. And here we can see when you do a lot of rows, this column starts to go diagonally. You see, it's not vertical, it goes a little bit on the side, and I really like it. I really like it how it looks like when you wear it and you wrap it and the colors start changing. So now you will decide on the width of the scarf yourself. So maybe you want it to be really wide or quite thin. That's up to you, but I have to show you how to join colors. So when you decide to that it's enough of one color, this is going to be 2 colors, just this gray and peachy pink, but you can make it in 3 colors and 4 colors. You can come up with your desirable color combination. And when you have to join colors, I'll show you what to do. So imagine you want to, you say, okay, it's enough, or you finish the skein of one color and you need to join another color. So you can either, my suggestion, never join on the chain, never. So you can either join on the last stitch of the column or on the first stitch of the column. So I'll show you both ways and you can do whichever you prefer. So here are 5 double crochet, sorry, and do the 6th one. So when you do the last double crochet on the section, you do this too, and then you don't finish it. You straight away you take another yarn and finish with the new yarn, right? So all double crochets will be peachy pink, and you just start doing 5 chain with the new yarn, right? And no one will see the change, and you will continue doing 6 double crochets here with the new yarn. Right, so and then you will weave in the ends as you need to, but there's no visible change. So when you go around, it will be quite hard to find where you changed the color. So if you want to change on the first stitch of this section, I'll show you how to do that. Right, so I'll finish here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just start doing the first double crochet here. It's a bit more difficult like this. And I prefer, it's a bit more difficult like this, and I really prefer to join on the last stitch so it's not that visible here, okay? Or you can do 4 chain, and 5th chain you can do with a new yarn, but then you will need to weave in on chain. So I really suggest doing the first way here. And now I will show you how to finish the scarf. So let's say you are happy with the width of the scarf and you want to finish it, and I finish it very simply. So I decide that that's it, that's done. So I'll do 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and here I'll join with a slip stitch. Then I'll do a couple of more slip stitches, maybe 4 is enough, and then cut the yarn, fasten off, and weave in the ends. I will not cut now because I want just to make it bigger. I want to finish this little yarn cake so it will be wider, so the finish of the scarf will look like this. And obviously when you cut the yarn, you have on the other side you have yarn where you finished, where you started, where you finished, where you joined the colors. For example, here I joined the colors. You need to weave in the ends with a needle, so make sure you do this on the back side. So here it is, I guess. Oh, one more suggestion how to upgrade maybe. So when I start it with just simple chain, you can start it with a chainless foundation here, so the beginning will be thicker. Or you can do after you do the chain and join it, you can do a row of single crochet. So if you do that, if you do the first row of single crochet, it will look thicker. So make sure you finish as well with the row of single crochet here. When you finish your scarf, you do another row of single crochet and then finish the scarf. So here it is. If you have any questions, let me know, put in the comments or message me on Instagram. Or if you want to have written pattern, it's on Etsy. I'll include the link. And if you like my tutorials and would like to see more of them, make sure you subscribe. Obviously like this video and share. See you next time.